Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool original style Mickey Mouse telephone, and this is Gary's equipment from Texas. And this telephone came into the shop all apart, and this is the initial checkout. So we want to troubleshoot everything on this telephone and repair any issues. And so we want to take a look at everything. This is the plunger that would be located on the inside of Mickey, and his arm would be the hanger for the receiver, and it would push the hook switch down. So we want to take a look at that and see if this has any issues. And we want to go ahead and show you the telephone base. And then we have our original sticker here. Now this is the electronic version of Mickey. We'll take this and set it to the side here. And I want to give you a look at the inside. If you've never seen the inside of the electronic model, we have our PC board here, and we're going to have to troubleshoot everything there at the board. Now, from experience, I know that there sometimes can be some bad solder. So what we want to do is resolder some of that board, but we'll also be troubleshooting the keypad, the PC board, the hook switch, and the ringer element. So we'll go through this base unit. We have our handset here, and this telephone is in very good condition for its age. I want to give you a look at Mickey here. And then we have his arm that would be the hanger for the hook switch. So we're going to go ahead and get a start on this telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll start our troubleshooting process, and we'll come back and get some more video of this telephone as we move forward in a repair. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and installed a number plate and the protective cover. We went through all the linkage that was repaired. We went through the PC board, touched up whatever solder we needed to. We went through the hook switch, the transmit, the receive. So everything was gone through on this telephone. And so now what we want to do is start our final checks. Before we do that, we want to talk about our pickup here, and that's so that we can hear the audio from the receiver as we're testing the telephone out. And at first, the arm, which is the hanger for the receiver, will feel a little stiff, and that will relax with time. And I want it that way because everything has been reworked for the linkage that actually pushes down and controls the hook switch. So now what we want to do is we want to start our final checks, and we'll go ahead and ring the unit with the analyzer. We want to turn our amplifier on. I'm going to go ahead and give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers, so if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. hello, hello. I want to set the handset back down, give you some dial tone. We'll hang up, dial tone. We'll do that one more time, and we can go ahead and hang Mickey up. Now I have a button on this switch box, and when I press that button, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll give you some dial tone.
Good afternoon. We have express service available at almost every Offenburg dealership. Open later during the week and Saturday for your convenience. Today is Thursday, November 27th. The time is 3 o'clock. Current temperature 42 degrees.
Mostly cloudy today, then becoming partly sunny, highs in the lower 30s. Partly cloudy tonight, near steady temperatures in the mid-20s. Mostly sunny on Friday, highs in the upper 40s.
We can hang up. We'll go ahead and call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll hang up, show you dial tone again. One more time. And we can hang Mickey up. Now, under normal use, Mickey will be just fine. If this unit is dropped, there's always that chance that things will break again. These telephones are pretty durable, but it's not a very good idea to let them fall or drop and then hit the floor, because there is working parts in these telephones that will be damaged. But under normal use, Mickey should be just fine. I'm sure that Gary will enjoy this family telephone. I know he's having this telephone repaired for his grandchildren, and I believe this telephone was his daughter's telephone when she was a little girl. So that's a very cool story, and I'm sure the kids will really enjoy this telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.